So guys, I can't tell my phone camera is facing to me where it's me or not. The video's uploading right now. I'm gonna go ahead and see what I am doing here. Okay, so I just had a mini heart attack. I thought my dad was about to shower in there. But really, it was my mom. I would have been trapped in there for a year. Anyways, that was weird. I hadn't spent 24 hours at my parents' house, so easy now. The shower, do everything in there. So, she didn't know I was in there the whole time. So, Mrs. accomplished for when she yells at me. Alright, that's paying attention to me. Okay, so I'm gonna go from pressure cooker house because that's what we have for dinner. Tastes bomb. So I'm gonna sit here and eat, but that stirred the butt right out of me. Because my dad is a dad. He's a boy, a man. I know. I've seen Nathan so many times on accident. I didn't want that to be an accident. But I let my mom clean the bathroom. So I can go back out in there when she does outside. And she says, Riley, I'm about to chat. Hi, woman. What you doing? He says, y'all can feel my pain. And my mom is not bad, but she adds it. And she has what I meant to him on. My dad's actually black, so, you know. I think it's the belt or the trunk out and beat you. He lets us have. He doesn't even let us pick our belt. He has the hardest belt, which is the braided belt. Oh, yeah. It's so torn up, your butt bleeds from it. My mom uses bat scratcher and a shoe in her hand. Girl, I ain't looked in for any spankings, should I? No, we baddies have to, so. I have to do my oversight TikToks of like, I can't explain it. Have you seen them? There's like, I almost dropped my roll on the crusty floor. They're so, like, fun to watch. Right. I don't know how to explain it, but I said, Jay's playing the leader, puts a video up there, and talks on how to be a baddie. First, put black lipstick on, and don't, and like blah blah blah, and then like burp burp burp. He or she tells, just talks, first of all, about the video, And I like those videos, but sometimes they can be a little harsh. But my videos are not dumb enough for that. So, I mean, they're pretty dumb. But like, comment down below if you like this Tommy Bob or whatever. Not the real ones, but it's like. I had dance on TikTok. I did it today. It took me like 30 minutes just to rehearse and learn it. So, yeah. It's hard to do on time. Can I tell you something? And I don't know if you know this, but I was hiding in your closet for like 2 minutes. And whenever the shower was going, and I seen the sweatpants, I thought you were Dad. I got scared. She's going outside. Yes. So she's outside. So, no, we don't have flashlights. Sorry, I had to leave. So, I might have to get my sleep on the couch. Hide this camera and see what her reaction is. Because I'm using this guy. Put your phone on it. And I'm gonna hide it. Hey, you can't pull my hover. How? She just jumped over me. Y'all didn't see that birthday. You just, hey. Hey. So guys, I'm gonna get a pillow over there and just sleep. Pretend I'm asleep, so hang on. This is what I mean. Oh my god. Where does that on? Anyways, I'm gonna pretend I'm asleep now. But guys, hopefully. Hey, look at him. He's a big old retard. I think I passed out. I passed out on the couch for a long time this week. This week I've been passing out on the couch. Papa, go. Guys, we're just waiting. I'm sorry that it's taken so long. Ew. Stop! Don't bite my pony. Stop! He's bullying me. Ew. He bullies me. He bullies me. Hey, we need to hide this. Stop. Stop, hey. Sit down. a video right now, so my mom doesn't see you. Okay. I know it does. I don't know what that. So I draw behind these. I only have a little bit of more time. There's ice cream. Stop. You hurt me. Don't you even Stop. Stop. Pain. Get off. Get off. Get out. Get off. Guys, I didn't blow my cover. I hate him as a brother. Please don't reach me. us last week. Always talk about much excited for me to your house through the suburbs, crying because you weren't around. We with that blonde girl who always made me answer. She's older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Day I drove through the suburbs. How could I ever love someone else? I know we were perfect, but never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay. Now that I'm done. And you really mean what you wrote in the song about me. You said forever, now I drive along past your street. All my friends are tired of how much I miss you, but I kind of feel sorry for them. They don't love you the way that I do, yeah. Through their suburbs, pictured I was driving home to you. And I know we were perfect.
Clean the oven and then mop.
Just wait for no one. Oh, I just can't imagine how you could be so okay. Now that I'm done. You didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. You said forever, now I drive along past your street. Red lights, stop signs, I still see your face in the white cars from yours. Can't drive past few places we used to go to, because I know I still love you, babe. Ooh. Sidewalks we crossed, I still hear your voice in the traffic. We're laughing over all the noise, and I'm so blue with you. I know I still love you, babe. Ooh, ooh. I know we were perfect, but I never felt this way for no one. And I can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm done. You didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Yeah, you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Anyways, bye.